Hi everyone, my name is Forex and I'm here to give you insights into Forex what trading. When you hear Forex, right, it basically means a lot. Some people will say Forex is a link, some people will say Forex is a scam, Forex is fraud, Forex is this, Forex is that. But I think most people are not having the knowledge or they are educated into this Forex thing. That's why they are saying these things, right? But I say if you have a clear knowledge about forex trading, right, it's just a business like how people trade. But like we the traders, right, our inventory, like when you go and purchase clothes that you want to sell, when you bring the clothes becomes what your inventory. So you're going to sell the clothes, and then when you make money, it comes to you directly. But we being the forex traders, we are different. Our inventory is what the cash is straight to the market, right? So you are doing cash business, so you are not doing any clothes or cars, or you're not selling anything, right? We are selling our money. It's the money because you are trading what exchange rate, the price you are changing. We are trading price, right? So any price that we see on currencies, that's what we are trading. So when we say forex, right, what comes in mind is foreign what exchange. It's simple. It's just foreign what exchange. So this foreign exchange, right? This foreign exchange, when you say foreign exchange, it says a lot of things. Yeah, when we hear of foreign, what comes in mind is something you are not familiar with, right? So countries that is outside our countries, like me being in Ghana, I have USA, I have Africa, I have Ghana, I have Nigeria, I have a lot of countries which is foreign currencies, foreign countries, right? So these countries becomes what my foreign exchange system that I'm going to work on. So I'm going to exchange, right, their currencies. That's called forex. We exchange what their currencies, because you can't exchange the two countries, but you can rather what exchange their currencies. And what am I talking about? Like me being in Ghana cedis, right? When you're exchanging Ghana cedis with dollar, when you go to the forex bureau, right, USD slash what GHS, which is going to be now is equivalent to 14.11 something. So when you see this on Forex Bureau, what this simply means is a unit of the dollar, right? A unit of the dollar, which is the 1 unit of this dollar. 1 unit of this one is equivalent to what they have written here, right? So that's how it is. So a unit of the dollar is equivalent to what the GHS. What they have written is 14 cedis, right? So that means when you exchange the dollar with cedis, when you exchange the USD with cedis, you are going to get what 14 point something 1111 or something. So that's not what you are going to do. We are going to do a lot of what analysis, right? This is a breakdown. But forex trading is not a link that you register and then it will take you to, no, that's not how it works. Forex trading is big. It's an industry, right? So you have to make speculations, and once you are done with the speculations, you take advantage of what these speculations, right? And when you're able to take advantage of the speculations, that's when you make money from the market. It's simple. When you are able to speculate that with the USD and the Ghana cedis, how USD is now is very strong, right? I don't see any reasons Ghana recovering from where they are now. So there is going to be what a stronger USD, making the just weak. So when we are having a stronger USD, the price of USD, which is the price of USD exchanging with cedis, which is 1.44, is going to rise up to maybe 15.1111. So that's how it can be. So we can move to from 14 cedis to what 15 cedis, because there has been what increment in the strength of what the USD. That's the basic understanding. So if the price is increasing, we take advantage of the price. If you're able to speculate that USD is still going to outperform the USD and the Ghana cedis, what you have to do is you see that what buy, right? If you are saying USD is going to outperform the Ghana cedis, you have to what buy. And you are saying the GHS is going to come out stronger than what the USD, you have to what sell. So we have just two directions the price can head to, right? We have, you see that the market is going up, you see that the market is going up or what down. So you see that it's going up or down. So when you have this understanding that forex trading has two directions where the price action goes to, you see that it goes up or down. And how are you going to take advantage of these speculations? Which you have to get a trading account. And for you to get a trading account, you can't just jump from being a trader and have a trading account and you're making money. No, the money has to pass through some bank transactions before it gets to the market, right? So we'll talk about it. We enter into details. We will see something about the broker, right? So the trading account is when you have a broker. It's like your bank account, right? Let me quickly clean this. It's like your bank account. The broker is your bank where you'll be doing your deposit and what withdrawals, right? So if you know where you'll be doing your deposits and withdrawals is what your broker. So when you have a broker, it means you the trader, right? You the trader. This is you the trader, right? And this is the broker. This is the broker, and this is what the platform, which is where you are going to see the candles and all that, right? So the broker here serves as what your bank, but it's made for you to trade with, right? So you being a trader, when you are depositing money into your broker, it goes to this broker before you can use it on the chart. And when you make money from the market, it comes to your broker and you withdraw to your wallet. It's just a cycle. It's just a simple analysis. You being the trader, this is what the platform. This here is what the platform. So when you have a platform and you have a broker, the broker is where you'll be doing your deposit, and the platform is where you'll be using to take the advantage of the movement. So once you get this understanding, right? Once you get this understanding, what this whole thing means is, the next thing you have to do is funding your account or creating a broker, right? So how do we do it? You start by going to the broker that you want to create the bank at. It's either you are using an application or doing it's on the website, right? So I recommend using it on the website because that's where I do most of my own things, right? So let's quickly go there. Let me show you how to create a broker. Get yourself a broker, right? So yeah, so here we have my recommended broker that I always tell people is to use Xnext broker. So you go to Xnext, right? You search for Xnext on your web. This will come. You go to trade with Xnext, right? So if you haven't had any account with them, you have to click on the register, right? So you click on register. It will say you should verify. Let me enter Ghana. Right? Choose my password. They will recommend a password for you, but I decided to choose my own password. So yeah, let me just type in my password real quick. Okay, I'm done. And then you have to check. You have to see that it's between 8 to 15, and then at least one uppercase and lower cases, right? At least one number and at least one special character. So you can use the brackets, the at, anything at all, right? So this is partner code, which is optional if you don't have. I don't think if you have, but when you have a Google account and you want to skip all these things, you just can go to sign up with Google and then you choose your account, right? But once you are done filling this form, right, you can enter your email, which I'm going to use. So you are done. Once you are done entering your Gmail, just click continue. Right, got it. Yeah. So this is it. When it comes like this, right, you see that you create a demo account or you create a real account. Let's go ahead and create a real account. So when we are creating a real account, when you deposit, it will be your money, but your demo is just a trial for you to try your hands on, take positions and open positions and everything, right? So we are creating a real account, right? So the next thing you have to do is verification. Where you complete your profile is you have to verify your account. So get started. First, you're going to verify your email, right? Confirm email, right? They sent it. Let's go to Xnext, right? This is it. We copy, we come back, we paste, right? Action confirmed. First one is done. We confirm the phone number. Alright, we confirm the phone number, right? So they have sent a message. Okay, so we are done completing the phone number. We just confirm the phone number. So we add profile info. So when you go to profile info, where you completing it, you have to complete the profile info where you enter your name, right? My name is Satu. Let's quickly enter it very quick. Satu, last name, let's say Forex, right? Forex, date of birth, enter, you fill in everything. You make sure you fill in everything. I'm not going to change my year. Let's use that same year. Residence, you enter, right? Enter your residence. You choose if you are a male or female. You tap on continue, and then you go. So what is the purpose of opening the account, right? You can use it like investment, speculations, right? You choose investments, right? So is it where you get your money from? Is it savings? Let's say savings, right? So what is your occupation now? If you're education, you're educating. If you're doing it, you're doing it. So if you're working, let's say education, right? That's the similar education. So we choose education and we can it's on continue, right? Please select the total wealth including cash and bank account, right? 0 to 20,000. So we choose that one. We choose that one. We choose education, so unemployed, right? So what is your yearly income? 0 to 20,000. Let's choose the minimum one because some people will be starting with swaps, right? So what is your CFD? CFD is it's like the financial market. We have the stock, we have the crypto, we have a lot, right? So the CFD trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years. It's like, let's say have not traded, right? So you haven't traded, this is your first time. And how long will you need to master the skill? 1 to 6 months. You'll be good. And what is the anticipated monthly income you are prepared to invest with Exness? So let's say none for now, right? So what are your plans on trading within 1 year? Becoming full-time trader. You can also use it as you can choose full-time and all that. So what's your trading instrument do you plan to use, which is Forex, right? We are specifying on what Forex, right? So how did you hear about Exness? Let's say YouTube, right? Let's say YouTube. You heard it from my channel. Let's say YouTube. So all set, right? You verify your identity. So when you verify your identity, right, you upload what in Ghana, we use Ghana card, but in other countries I don't know, but you can use any identity. You upload them, you upload the front and back, you make sure everything is legit. Once you are done, there's going to give you time to let's accept and agree to the terms and conditions, submit document. So is it passport, is it driving license, is it ID card, is it non-citizen ID or insurance card, voters ID, it's a lot of things, right? So what this means is when you do this, that is going to be under review, right? So when it's under review, it will take like barely 24 hours, and then you see that if they've activated your account, then you can start depositing. But if you don't identify verify your identity and you deposit, right, you can trade, but you cannot withdraw. So you have to verify what your identity to do the in and out transactions. So that's it for Exness. Once you are done with this, right, I already have account. This is just a quick account that I'll use. Once you are done, right, you come here, you open an account. This is like you open an account, right, which you are going to link it to your platform, right? So over here, when you choose standard and continue, right, you are going to see this leverage, right? So leverage is the bold fund they are going to give you. So they are going to fund you the money. So once you deposit, like let's say $10, right, they're going to give you 200 times 2,000 times what's your $10, because the market deals in thousands of dollars. So you have to have like $100,000 before you can get access to financial market. So with the leverage, it's going to help you to get there, right, even with smaller accounts. So when you deposit $10, it means your $10 is your 1 and it's towards times $10 times 2,000. So let's say if you deposit $10, it's multiplied by 2,000. That's how it is. So you choose your currency that you want to see your trade. You want to trade in, which is dollar here, right? And when you are done, you create you have dollar, you have standard nickname. You can choose it, right? Let's say I'm choosing it Zatu Forex, right? Zatu Forex, and once I'm done, I create an account, right? So I hit on create an account. Password, you have to enter your password, right? You enter your password for the account and you create an account. So once this is done, right, the account will be here. You can see that you can trade, right? You can deposit and withdraw. So you have 2 accounts here. You can deposit and withdraw. So when you click on these 3 dots here, you can see that your info is around here, account information, right, where you are going to see the MT5 login and MT5 server. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to link this to your MT5. So That's it. You have created your broker. You can link it to MT5. So kindly watch my next video if you want to continue on this process. I don't want this video to be long enough, so kindly watch out for the next video, and then we watch it when you link MT5 towards your Xness, right, and start trading, making money from financial. So this is the basic understanding you should get. You should know that you have to get a broker and a platform. The recommended one is what MT5, which is what MetaTrader 5, which is what MT5. Let me write it here real quick. MT5, right? MT5, which is called MetaTrader 5, right? You have MT4, we have MT5, but recommended one is MT5. So you use MetaTrader 5 and then you take advantage of the stuff. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. Watch my next video to continue on this process, and make sure you subscribe and like to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to give you any at all strategy you think it is going to blow your mind, like the strategies you are waiting for. I'm going to give it to you back to back. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you watch the full video to get the full insight, get everything, understand everything, right? So that's it. This is just a breakdown of the Forex thing, right? So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ask me questions in the comment section, because I like to answer questions like this in Forex trading. So if you are interested, you subscribe for me to bring out more, so and turn off the notification bell to get it anytime I upload videos. Yeah, that's it. This is Atu Forex, and I'm here to give you the best. Thank you guys. Bye. Peace.